Welcome to the demo of the 25D feature report operation completions, rejections and scrap efficiently using industrial handheld devices. With this enhancement, you can now efficiently scan or enter quantities using industrial handheld devices when reporting operation transactions for work order operations. You can report completion, scrap or reject for discrete and process manufacturing work order operations. Prior to this update, production operators needed access to computers to report their work completed. Otherwise, offline methods of production reporting could lead to delays in uncovering production anomalies and exceptions that result in poor quality and waste. You can now enable a mobile-only user experience for operators to capture production reporting. In environments where dedicated computers are not deployed, operators can focus on specific manufacturing tasks instead of non-value-added tasks like searching for transaction details or doing data entry. This demo shows you how report operation completions, rejections and scrap efficiently using industrial handheld devices enhances your business. For this demo, we create and release a serialized work order, then use the industrial handheld device to complete the serialized product in inventory, while reporting completion of the work order operation. While completing the product, user can scan or enter more details like country of origin, LPN, etc., and can modify the completion sub-inventory. We will use work order RS for 1321 and product serial PS 96446 for this demo. After logging in, select the production reporting. We are in the production reporting landing page. Let us report completion of the work order operation. Click on Complete under Operation Transactions. We are in the context of default organization M1. If the operator has access to more than one organization, user can change the organization. User can scan the work order number or the associated product serial number of a serialized work order. If the work order number is scanned, user can select the operation number and then the associated product serial number. As mentioned in the demo scenario, we are using serialized work order RS for 1321. Let us scan associated product serial PS 96446. Product serial PS 96446 has been scanned. Based on the product serial, application can find the work order number and operation number, where this serial is in ready status. Based on the product serial, application found the work order number RS for 1321 and operation 50. The product item code is displayed here. Since this is the last operation in the work order, the serial will be completed in the inventory. The completion sub-inventory is displayed here. User can modify the completion sub-inventory and locator, if required. User can mention more details in this screen. If the country of origin is enabled for the organization, user can mention the details here. Similarly, if the organization is integrated with warehouse management system or is enabled for LPN, packing unit or LPN details can be mentioned. User can select the country of origin from the list. In this case, United States is the country of origin. User can optionally complete the work order operation or can trigger printing the label. Next, click on the Complete to complete the transaction. The toast message is displayed confirming that operation transaction is reported. The user is brought back to report operation completion UI. User can initiate completion of another work order operation. This concludes the feature demo. In this demo, we reported completion of a work order operation and completed product serial PS 9646 using the mobile handheld UI. Thank you for watching.